Hello, welcome back. So last time we were discussing some surprising and unexpected results with apply function. Just to recap what we were discussing in the previous video. So we have two data frames called dat1 and dat. The only difference between two is this export column, which is present only in dat2, which has characters A, B, C and D. The x1, x2, x3 columns are the same for both the data frame. So now we are trying to find number of ones in each column. So for x1 we have two ones, for x2 we have three ones, and for x3 we have only one one. So when we apply function on dat1, we get expected results, we get 2, 3 and 1, and when we apply the same function on dat2, we get all zeros. Now, one would expect that we should get same result as the columns are same, only x4 has A, B, C and D. Hence, one would expect that we should get x4 column with 0 and rest all values should remain the same. Then why is that the case that we receive all the zeros for that too? Okay, let me tell you the answer. If you did listen to the previous video carefully, then I had said that ideally apply functions are designed only to work on matrix, but we can also use it on data. But even for data frame, the apply function converts it into matrix, and matrix can hold only one class. So if there is character, all the matrix elements would have character. So since dat2 has export column with characters, it converts the entire data frame to characters. Let's check the class of to understand. See, so we want to find out the class for each column. So we use 2 as margin and then apply the function class. So dat1 has x1 column as numeric, x2 column as numeric, x3 column as numeric. And for dat2, all the columns have character. That's the issue, because internally apply converts data frame to matrix, and matrix can hold only one class. So there's no way A, B, C, D can be converted to numeric. So it converts these numbers into characters, and hence it's not able to identify. This video was actually inspired from a Stack Overflow post which I had answered recently, where the asker thought there was a bug in apply command, and I'll put that in the description. So if you are interested, you may look at it. So this was the question asked, and I posted an answer. Anyway, it is advised to avoid using apply functions on data frames for the same reasons. So if you are 100% sure what you are doing is what is happening with apply function, then only use it, or in other cases there are always better alternatives to use. I hope this clarified your doubt, and if you have any feedback or comments, you can post it in the comment section, and I'll see you soon.